this is Raquel, and welcome to the 2022 Lions Gateway Activation of Light. It is always during this time frame, the end of July through the first part of August, when the energies of Sirius align with the Giza pyramids in the Giza Plateau in Egypt. And it's always a marker in the cosmos and in our timelines where a significant amount of energy is received and anchored onto the planet and into the fields for humanity. And this particular 8-8 portal, and again, it runs for days before and days after the 8-8, but it is the 8-8 that is celebrated or recognized. And during this particular year, this portal this year in the year 2022, it's really significant, the energies that are presenting. For thousands and thousands and thousands of years, the portal that is the Giza Pyramid, the Stargate that aligns to Sirius, has been, distorted and utilized in a way that is not its organic nature. And as we go through this ascension process, we are clearing, we are unraveling, we are taking apart the distortions that has kept the planet and humanity locked down, disconnected from source, operating at a very low level of consciousness. And although the ascension awareness has been quite strong on the planet since at least 2012, and for many of us, decades before that, this particular time frame this year, we really are celebrating because for the first time, with as much clearing and unraveling and shifting of the planetary organic light architecture has shifted so much that this particular year, with this alignment back into the Lion's Gate, or if you want to go back further in history, the Anahazi, which were the first to actually seed from the Lyran system. This is the first we're going to be able to make a very strong, organic, natural reconnection back into the Sirius alignment. And this is beyond exciting. We have been working on clearing the pyramid grids that have been utilized on this planet. We've been working on that project for at least a decade, if not longer, to bring it back into a organic flow, a non-distorted, non-tampered with grid system. And so it's really a time to celebrate as more and more of the planetary light architecture is coming back online. The ley lines and the dragon lines, communication lines within the planetary body, reopening, reawakening, clearing out, and becoming back to an organic state. And so with all of this, and there was a very significant event back on the summer solstice, which further brought us into the ability to reconnect in this way during this particular gateway, where the world soul realigned the whole entire ancient gateway system that goes through Andromeda, through Machu Picchu, having the world soul completely realign and shift back to that ancient gateway system, Stargate system, has really allowed for this opportunity through the Lion's Gate to remake this connection with one of the most well-known, if you will, stargates on the planet, which is the Great Pyramid at Giza. And so we really are celebrating this, and to be able to make a clear connection back into Sirius and back through that particular star system as we are making even more direct connection with the Anahazi. And the Anahazi being an ancient founder race. They are the original lion, feline beings. That's why they call it the Lion's Gate, along with it being in the sun sign of Leo. It's also about reconnecting into the Anahazi. And this is really exciting as we continue to awaken. We continue to bring our frequency to such a level to be able to now make really strong connections with these ancient, if you will, original, might be another way to describe it, very high dimensional Lyran 12th gate beings of light. And so we're really here to honor that, to celebrate it, to bring more light back onto the planet, and also for the planet to plug back into the organic galactic Stargate system through this particular pyramid. And this is the beginning of the next phase, if you will, as this is a continuous process, but this is the next phase as we connect in. And so I'm really glad to have you here to be a part of this transmission of light as we come more back online with our original organic galactic frequencies of light.